Fort. Yun, kumusta so far yung off-season preparations nyo now na few weeks na lang mag-start yung season 18?
I think our pre-season started as well naman. We had quality practices, we went out of town for training and some tune-up games. And I think it's been beneficial for us kasi our bond has been different since, and ayun, we enjoy playing with each other.
Saan yung mga pinuntahan yung lugar for
Philippines, I think. Bayugan kami. I think Bukidnon or hindi na. But then we went to Korea. We played games doon. Ang dami naming games doon. And yeah, I think Korea and we went Ormoc. Yeah, yun yung tatlong pinuntahan namin.
So throughout those trips talagang na-build. So masabi mo?
Yeah, I think doon talaga na-build yung samahan namin, especially off the court kasi I don't know, we've just been close na ever since yung mga naging trips namin, especially this year. Talagang mas ramdam ko yung closest ng team.
Coming up from that, tapos yung lessons rin na nakuha mo from yung Final Four stint nyo last season, sa tingin mo, syempre other than yourself, sino yung mga nakikita mong possible na step up palalo? Syempre aside from Nick.
Step up for us, I think, Coach Ruben Ablor and Jan. We know he's a rookie, but hindi kasi rookie yung tingin ko sa kanya dito sa team namin. So I think he can step up for us. I'm expecting Ivan Calum, ayan, sila Mark Lemon, sila Angel. Ayan, yan talaga yung mga players na talagang ina-expect ko na talaga mag-step up for us this season.
Bilang leader nila, ano yung efforts na ginawa mo para mas ma-feel nila na kaya rin namin kahit bata kami, kahit rookie?
As a leader siguro, yung skills training na lang namin kasi kahit skills training namin halos sabay-sabay kami lahat na nag-skills with true focus and kumbaga not necessarily ako yung naglagay sa kanila doon, but then I introduced them sa true focus because gusto rin namin nila Coach Jolo na talagang matulungan yung mga teammates ko here na to improve pa mga especially not just sa standards ng UAAP but hopefully international, and that's what we've been preparing din naman.
Nakaka-proud ba na nakikita mo na nandun na yung intent nila na gusto ko rin talagang ma-reach yung mataas? Yun nga, sabi mo, international level.
You're proud, yeah, syempre, but then I think this is one of their responsibilities kasi gusto nilang makamit yung dream nila. Gusto namin lahat makamit yung dream namin, but then kailangan namin mag-invest sa sarili namin and sa skills, sa strength and conditioning, whatever is that. And yun lang, I think it's just part of our responsibility as basketball players.
Galing dun sa build-up na yan, so yung nasa na yung progress niya?
For us right now, feel ko mga nasa 70 to 80% pa kami kasi we know UAP is different, and I can say a lot about sa mga nangyari sa off-season namin, but then when it comes to UAP, alam natin na iba yan, especially the intensity, and ayun, hopefully mag-progress kami throughout the season.
Fort, last season mo na sa UAP, you've been a champion, you've been to two different schools. Anong may expect sa'yo ngayong last season?
Ngayong last season, talagang enjoy ko lang tong last season ko kasi after nito, wala nang college basketball for me It's already the pro. So for me, talagang I've been enjoying myself sa practice, sa lahat ng games namin, and especially itong coming UAP season kasi yun nga, as you've said, it's my last one, but I'm just enjoying it.